Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Myself, Dhwani Advani, your IT instructor. Students, in our last session, we have learned some tools of TuxPaint. And in today's session, we are going to learn some more exciting tools of TuxPaint. So, let's begin our today's session. So students, today we are going to learn some more tools of TuxPaint. You might have remembered what we have done in the last week. We have seen shapes tool, then we have seen eraser tool. Eraser tool can be used to erase also and to give some effects also. Then we have seen text tool, which is used for typing the text, and we have seen a drip tool. Not drip tool, we can say a magic tool called drip, using which we have given some dripping effect to our text. Now today we are going to learn about the edges tool. Now how does this edges tool work? First we have to draw one shape. So let me take some shape, and for this you have to compulsory take some filled shape. On blank shape you cannot do this tool, right? So I am selecting a square, I am giving it some color, and I am rotating it as we have learned last time. So my square is ready. Right now I will use edges tool. Where is this edges tool? In the magic tool, you have to click on magic tool, and then from magic, right hand side some tools will appear. From here you will select edges. Now again, as you have clicked on edges tool, you can see my mouse pointer changes to magic tool, right? So see what happens over here. See, we can create this type of different shapes using edges tool, right? It is different from eraser tool. What will eraser tool do? It will directly clean whole this part. But using edges tool, the part is not clean, right? उसको एक border मिल गया है. Using edges tool, you can see it is not erased. इसको एक border मिल गया है. So we can say एक stamp effect आ रहा है using this. Now we will see the next tool, that is foam tool. Now for that, first I'll create a new file and I'll make one simple scenery, okay? So I'm choosing this green canvas over here. Then I'm selecting paint tool, and using paint tool, I'll draw some small mountains over here. See, I am drawing all this using a paint tool which you have already studied in 3rd standard, right? I have selected paint tool. I have selected the color. Whichever color you want you can select, and then you can do this. Now I will fill this with green color. So for filling, what I have to do is I'll use fill from magic. You have to select magic tool, and here there is a fill tool, right? You can see here fill. So select fill tool. Whichever color you want, select it, and I have filled this, okay? Now I'll create a river. Again, for making a river, I'll use paint tool. Select the size of a brush you want, select the color you want, and then I'll draw the river over here, okay? So again I'll color this river. Same again, magic tool, fill tool, select the color you want, and your river is done, right? Now I wanted to show you foam effect, right? So for showing you the foam effect, I have first created this small scenery. Students, do you know what happens? So now students, I'll use a foam tool. What happens when your mother adds washing powder to the bucket of water? Some foam appears, right? So same foam effect we are going to give in this scenery. For doing that, you have to select magic tool. This sub tool will appear on the right hand side, and here you can see foam, F-O-A-M, foam, right? So you will select the foam tool, and here I'll give some foam effects to the river. See, this is the foam effect I have given to the river. Now I'll draw some grass. How to draw the grass? See, we don't have to draw. TuxPaint provides us so many ready-made tools. We just have to drag and drop it and use it at the correct place. I'm selecting magic tool again. Inside magic tool, there is a grass over here. You can see grass tool is there. So I'll select grass tool. You can give the color you want. As you can see, my background is already light green. So for grass, I'll select dark green color. And see, here I have given I have drawn some grasses over here using that tool, grass tool, right? I have not done anything. I have simply selected the right tool, and you have to draw this. So using grass tool, I have drawn some grasses over here. Next I'll show you is flowers. How to draw flowers. Okay? So for flower, here you can see flowers are there. See here. In the magic tool only, inside the sub tool, the flower is there. Select the flower and see. Wherever you want, you just have to click over there, the flower will be drawn. Clear, students? Now using form tool only, I'll show you how to draw the tree using form tool. So for that, first I have to draw a tree. Using paint tool, I'll draw a tree. Okay, so I have selected paint tool. Select the size of a brush you want and select the color you want. Okay? Now I'll fill this shape using magic tool. Fill, select the color and fill the shape. Now here I'll use form tool for drawing the tree. See. In this way, you can fill your tree. Next is now, as you can see, the tree was of which color? It's always green in color, but मैंने form tool use किया तो it came white color. So what I did again is choose the fill bucket and whichever color you want, that is green only, obviously. So select green color and randomly click over here. Okay, randomly you can click on the tree you have drawn. So it gives you the effect of a tree. Right, students? Next I want to show you is starfish shape. That is available in the paint tool. Select paint tool, move down, and there is, you can see here so many star shapes are given, right? So you can select any shape from here. See, this is starfish. So select the starfish, select the color of a starfish you want, and then near the water you can put this starfish. Can you see this, students? How easy it is? So in a very simple way, I have created this scenery. In this, I have used some tools. Which tools we have used is grass tool, flower tool, form tool, and some starfish tool, right? this mountains, rivers and trees I have drawn with the paint tool, right? And then I have filled the color with the fill tool, which is available in the magic tool. Inside this magic tool there is the option fill. So using fill bucket option, I have filled the color. And some ready-made tools I have used, that is grass, flowers and foam, for completing my scenery. Clear, students? Now still there are some more tools that we have to study, that we will again study in our next video.